Attention B2B sales professionals. Are your cold emails getting ignored while your competitors are booking meetings on autopilot? Well, I was in your shoes, sending 100 plus text emails daily with a pathetic 2% response rate. But after analyzing thousands of cold emails from top performers, I discovered why 87% of sales reps are wasting time with the email format. And here's the truth. Text-only emails are killing your pipeline. And what we're focusing on today is leveraging video in your emails. There's pros and cons to using text format and video in your emails. The pros of text emails: quick to write and send, easy to scale with templates, they're comfortable and familiar, no technical requirements necessary, and you could send hundreds or thousands per day. But the cons? It gets lost in crowded inboxes. It's really hard to stand out. You have such limited personality and much lower engagement rates. And plus, it's easier to ignore. And not to mention the average response rate is 1 to 3%. Now let's talk about the pros of adding video to your emails. It instantly grabs attention. You build human connection. It shows personality and authenticity. It also demonstrates effort and dedication. And you're gonna have much higher engagement rates. I mean, the average response rate is 13 to 21%. Now let's talk about the cons. Yes, it takes more time. Unless you're using SendSpark. You can't scale as quickly. Unless you're using SendSpark. And you do need some decent lighting and some audio, but a regular computer works. Now let's just dive into the cold, hard facts. Videos in email increase click-through rates by 300%. 81% of sales pros who use video report higher response rates, and prospects spend 59% more time reading emails with video. Video emails are 40% more likely to get responses than text only, and sales rep using videos book 45% more meetings. Now, let's look at these two pictures. We're gonna compare a text email to a video in your email. Here's the text. Hi, Sarah. I notice your company is expanding into the European market. Our platform has helped similar companies reduce their international compliance headaches by 40%. A little boring, right? Easy to get lost. What is compliance? Now let's dive into video email. Hey, Sarah. I noticed your company is expanding into the European market. The biggest challenge is understanding the local compliance in each location. Most of the time, it's in hidden documents and in other languages, but with our platform, you get real-time changes in compliance based on your employee's local location. Now, obviously, the video version works so much better because it proves you've done your homework. It shows and tells your prospects how you can help. It connects the dots for your prospects. The visuals make it more memorable and easy, and it demonstrates the value upfront. So we know video's just better to use, but when should you use it and when should you use text? Well, you should use text when you're just following up briefly, when you're sending routine updates, when time is extremely limited and quick responses are needed, and maybe you have some legal or compliance requirements that you need to respond to. Now, if you're going to be using video in your emails, it's an amazing opportunity when you use video to book a meeting. Use video to explain complex solutions. Use video to respond to complicated objections. Use it to follow up on no responses. Use it to share demonstrations. It's great for building relationships, and it's the best way to stand out. But the best is actually when you're using both in tandem. So here's an email sequence structure. Email intro, video follow-up to discuss the problem, text follow-up, video pre-meeting agenda, video post-meeting follow-up. Simple, right? Now remember, your prospects get hundreds of text emails every day. But how many personalized videos? Be the one who stands out and be the one they remember. But better off to be the one they respond to.